Add cylinder. Rotate on Y-axis. Scale down on X-axis. Apply scale. Tab to edit mode. Select edges, bevel, change segment, number to 6. Extrude face, inwards. Select edges, bevel, change segment, number to 6. Shade smooth by angle. Add cylinder, scale down. Tab to edit mode, select face, scale down. Bevel face, change segment, number to 6. Shade smooth by angle, adjust position. Add mirror modifier, mirror on, Y-axis. Mirror object is the main part of clock. Add UV sphere, scale down, apply scale. Tab to edit, mode, delete, faces. Add solidify, modifier, change thickness to 0.1. Add a subdivision, surface modifier, change levels, viewport to 2. Shade smooth by angle. Add a cylinder, scale down and along Z-axis. Apply modifiers and add new material before joining objects. Add UV sphere, scale down, adjust position, shade smooth by angle. Add material then, join sphere to object. Adjust position and scale if needed. Add mirror modifier, mirror on Y-axis. Mirror object is clock. Add cylinder, scale and shade, smooth by angle. Add cube scale, down and along, Y-axis. Apply scale tab to edit mode, bevel object, change segment, number to 5. Separate face from object by selection. Shift S and move cursor to selected face. Add UV sphere, scale down, adjust position, shade smooth by angle. Shift S to move cursor to sphere. Add cube, scale down and along Z-axis. Apply scale, bevel object in edit mode. Change segment, number to 3. Shift plus DTO, duplicate, rotate, object. Add cube, adjust scale, apply scale. Tab to edit, mode, select face, scale down. Select all, bevel object. Change segment, number to 4. Adjust scale on, Z-axis, shade, smooth by angle. Add mirror modifier, apply mirror modifier. Change object origin. TO3D cursor duplicate, rotate on X-axis.